witchy gal pals. I hope you are all feeling good and enjoying this terrible, awful winter. Thank you for clicking on the video, and I hope you all enjoy watching it. So far, I have made all of my Halloween outdoor decorations. And when they're living outside in the rain and the cold and the wind of a Cape Breton fall, they need to be rejuvenated and repaired so the display looks nice. So today I'm going to show you how to restore these decorations so that they last a few more Halloweens and we really get our money's worth out of them. These two large plywood bats have been displayed for 4 years outside. They are cut from regular plywood and not good one side, which is a whole lot better for making decor. It's smooth and gives you a nicer finished look. As you can see, these are pretty rough and the knots fell out, but they still have a few years of life in them before I remake them with better plywood. These are not seen up close, so I'm not worried about them not being in perfect condition. First, I want to take these back outside and give them a quick wipe down with a damp cloth. Clean off all the dirt from the stakes and lightly sand the surfaces so your paint sticks on top of the finish. Once you're finished sanding, brush the bats off to get rid of the bulk of the fine sawdust. Then I'll take a damp cloth to it to remove the rest of it. One of the nice things about working so much outside is that not only do I have lots of rumpus time with my best friend Rosie, but it also gives me the chance to form new friendships with these little sweet fuzzies. This is our little red squirrel, Rory. We've been hand feeding him since he was brand new, and he's very comfortable with me. He'll visit us in the workshop, and he even takes a peanut from my shoulder. At this point, I'm going to bring them back inside and apply 2 coats of black paint to the bats. I'll let the bats dry around 6 hours between coats so that I get good coverage. Now that the bats have 2 coats of paint, they're ready for their new white outline so that they pop when they're seen in shadowy areas of the yard. Otherwise, they'll just blend in with the landscape. I will apply 2 coats of that as well. Something I'm going to add to the bats that weren't there before is an outline on the back side of them. These are used in my 2 large planters that are located in front of my house, right in front of my living room windows. So when I look at my windows, I want to see a finished looking bat and not the blank back side of them. Lastly, I'm going to seal the bats with 2 coats of outdoor sealant. And voila! All ready to be put back into my creepy-ass basement for October. I mean it. Freddy Krueger lives down there. My sister thinks every time I open the basement door, I'm letting evil spirits loose. So as you can see, it's well worth a little time and effort and elbow grease to protect your outdoor decor. A little effort goes a long way. If you would like an instructional video on how to make these bats, I'm thinking about doing a video on that. It's a fairly simple thing to do. I don't think I will be covering the last half of the finished project if I do that, because I've already shown you those steps here. But it's nice to know what tool to use, what plywood to use, and how to actually cut out the bat pattern and put that on the computer and everything to customize your own designs. Well, that is everything for me today. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'm actually going to finish up a few more smaller bats that need refinishing, just small little ones like this, not very big, just kind of nice accent bats to accent the big bats. And so if you would like and subscribe the video, that would be fantastic. I would just love it. And come back for more punishment. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. We'll see ya.